Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day 2, or number 2 of 7 videos. This is Aviation Week, day number 2. So, yeah, if you're watching this video, cheers to you. But anyway, guys, we're doing a double unboxing today. As you can see, we have two Delta 737-, one 800 and one 900 ER. So let's dive right on into this video with the 800 first, and then we'll move to the 900 right there. The camera. Okay, here we go. So yeah, Gemini jets made for collectors by collectors. Here is our little computer generated image. Sorry, having a stroke. But 737-800 Delta Sky Team. Look inside. There's the beautiful model. So yeah, if you pause if you'd like to read that. And there's really no point in reading it. But yeah. Oh, I didn't finish the sides. Yeah, so the sides. I picked this up for $43.95 at the airplane shop. There's the back. New box style. I really like the new box style. Okay, so let's go ahead here. Bam, there she is. So there's the 737-800. Put that aside. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, Gemini just did a really good job with this one. The mold was pretty good for this one. Pretty on point. Yeah. And our registration is November 374 Delta Alpha. So yeah, that's the 737-800. Let's move on to the 900 right here. Same thing, Gemini just made for collectors. Boeing 737-900 ER. Sides. I bought this off a diecast model airplane store. Again, another place. There's inside. There's the plane. And all the sides. Again, another version of the new box style. She's still oily. So yeah, this one's slightly longer, as you could have guessed, from the 800 and the 900. Again, really good job they did with the 900. The mold is really on point. Yeah. So, just show you real quick. So yeah, there they are. Alright guys, so I think that will be it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Yeah, I try to keep this one a little bit shorter today, but yeah. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow is a airport update 4K featuring Vids Aviation 2. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is FunTube. Oh, right, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. This is FunTube Aviation, signing off.